Welcome to Master Excel. Today I'm going to introduce you another Excel trick. I'm going to discuss how to repeat cell value multiple times. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to create my table. I want to repeat items in the column B by the times in the column C. Column A is my helping column. I'm going to type number 1 here. Then I do equals number 1 plus this number here and enter. Then I'm going to drag it down one row past the end of this table. I want to get my results in the column F, so I'm going to type number 1 here and 2 here. Then select both and drag it down up to number 9. Number 9 is the highest value of this list. Okay, now the most important part of this operation. Then I'll use Vlookup formula. This is my lookup value and this is my table array. I'm going to enter $signs before cell addresses. It calls absolute reference. It prevents change in my table array when I drag the formula. My column index number is 2 because items I want to repeat is in the second column of my table array. Then drag this formula up to following number 9. You can see the results. There are 2 apples, there are 5 grapes and 1 banana. If you change the values here, the result changes accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.